If you are viewing this video, you will undoubtedly be seeking ways to earn money online, and you have come to the right place. In this video, I will show you how to use Google Chrome, your dependable browser, to swiftly and easily create substantial amounts of cash online. This is not a playground. You might earn more than $1,000 just by browsing Google and visiting various already entertaining and engaging websites. Who wouldn't be attracted with a compensation rate like that? That was my initial reaction when I first learned about this method. This is a wonderful tactic with a ton of great benefits and features that works in your favor. The amazing thing is that this method is accessible in all 7 continents and can be used with any device. This technique can be understood by everyone, even those with little prior knowledge or technical skills. Naturally, I want to help you succeed financially, and that's why I am making this video. There is nothing you need to spend on this technique at all. This method is unquestionably a life-changing opportunity for everyone watching this video. If you stick with me and don't skip ahead, you will completely understand the entire process. You will learn everything you need to know about it in this video. But before we get started, welcome to Roladel thses, where we will show you some brand new ways to make money online. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video to be notified every time a new profitable video from Roladel Business is released. Also, share this with your friends and families so that you and everyone else is aware of this excellent money-making technique. Simply leave a comment below if you have any questions, worries, or thoughts regarding the video. We look forward to going through them all. Now, let's start with the first website for this video, which is thses, which specializes in UX research and help companies comprehend the expectations and routines of their customers in order to improve their business in every way imaginable. They help their international clients turn these user needs into business imperatives. You will see some of the companies and brands that work with these websites to provide their services as you scroll down the page, including Coca-Cola, Samsung, and many more. These seem to be quite sizable globally active businesses, and the website main audience is business. If you have no business, why are you here? I will respond to you quickly as I demonstrate how to use this website to make the most money possible. Just sit back and make sure you complete this video. If you go back to the same homepage, I want you to look in the upper right corner of the page where it says Become a Tester. I want you to click on that, and it will take you to a page where you can get paid for testing mobile websites and applications. These are the steps to complete this technique, and when you visit the website, you will see the icons along with the brief descriptions. Get your voice heard since businesses are interested in what you have to say. Develop your writing skills and observational skills. And last, get money because your involvement is compensated with PayPal or Amazon gift cards. That's all there is to it, but don't be fooled into thinking this video is done. In order not to lose out on this fantastic opportunity, you must always pay close attention. You practically have it in your hands, so don't waste it by stopping the video. Stay here and watch to the end. Do you recall the huge brands I mentioned earlier? These brands work closely together prior to launching a product or service to gauge public opinions in the distant niches they are about to enter. They must be aware of how well it is received by consumers all over the world. As a result, you will be one of the testers who receive an early preview of the new product or service. And all you have to do is to provide your frank assessment of it, so that they are aware of the product advantages as well as its shortcomings. After collecting your feedback, they will have enough knowledge to make the product or service better and get it ready for the big launch. The general outline is as follows, but let's first learn more about the nature and undialing principles of chance, starting with how to work from home. You can make money without leaving the comfort of your house by applying the strategies listed in this video. Step 1. Browse websites and apps on your smartphone or tablet. Step 2. From the comfort of your home, provide both positive and negative feedback. Step 3. Once the website moderator has reviewed your feedback, you are finished. In case you missed it, the amazing thing about this method is that it is entirely usable on mobile devices such as tablets or phones. Additionally, it can be found in both the App Store and Google Play Store. So, whether you use an Android or an iOS smartphone, you will still make the same amount of money. Please subscribe to Roladel Business if you have enjoyed the video so far, and give it a big thumbs up before we continue. Now, returning to the video, I will demonstrate this tactic for you and walk you through each step as I go. But first, let's clarify a few things. As you browse down the page, You'll see what the purpose of feedback is in order to report both positive and negative aspects of the product or service you are testing. This comment, which reads, "I would have liked the connection button to be more prominent because I couldn't find it," is an example of feedback when you begin earning money with further action. The first thing I want you to do now is sign up for a free account by clicking this button that says, "Start earning money by testing products." Then, just like any other website, it will send you to a page where you can fill out all of your basic information because everything is self-explanatory. You can complete it quickly. You will have access to a selection of tasks after successfully signing up and creating an account. Others might only be available on mobile devices, while certain missions might only be accessible on PC. Don't worry about this reducing your income because it really increases the website boundaries, which can only mean that more and more revenue will flow in. I will pick a task that is accessible to PCs like mine for this video. Simply click the Read Brief button after selecting a mission to be directed to another page where you can read more about it. The particular actions you must take to finish the quest are also listed because the directions are so straightforward. I'm sure you could finish all of the missions without opening your eyes. None of them will ask you to carry out any difficult activities. You will then click on this green button that says Start Permission and be able to receive these fast reminders of their expectations after reading the brief and being comfortable with the required procedures. Now, pay close attention. You must read, comprehend, and retain all of these reminders as they are essential to the process success because you must abide by all of these instructions in order for your feedback to be accepted as valid. Sorry to say, if you fail to abide by any of these instructions they have explicitly presented, you will probably fail. But because you're watching this video right now, you can easily rest knowing that if you follow my advice, you will be successful at every turn as soon as you obtain the instructions. The following rule is one that if you want to make money, you must adhere to religiously and strictly, continually and slowly reading the instructions to ensure that you can do it all in your free time. Take your time understanding the directions. Once you've read and understood the instructions, you can start working on your assignment and then go to the website that was provided. Visit the linked website to find out all the information you require. Take a screenshot or record your screen while you are at it because you will need it as a proof of your goal. If you record or screenshot it, then we will be able to see that you followed the instructions and successfully completed your tasks. You will be asked for your comments after uploading your screenshot. As I previously mentioned, to begin with, decide if the screenshot is a compliment or a problem. Then, give your comment a title that succinctly summarizes the subject of the screenshot. We should conclude by summarizing your experience, whether it was a simple or complicated website to use. Describe how the interface worked for you as you browse the external website. A text can also be described in terms of how they seemed to you, such as whether the font was too big or the backgrounds were overcrowded. After that, click this button to indicate that the feedback is crucial, and then press this button to go to the following stage. The following step is receiving a fresh instruction and simply repeating what you did previously. Take a screenshot, decide if it's a compliment or a criticism. Give your contribution a title, and then share your overall impression. Repeat this process until each stage has been finished, and then click the Finish Mission button to conclude the quest. You will be able to significantly improve your profits because you are free to work on several projects at once, which will enable you to achieve financial independence and live in a rich man's world. So guys, that's it for now. I hope this video was able to teach you something and that I was able to show you a different way to make money online. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe to Roladel Business if you enjoyed this video. You may be notified when we upload new videos by pressing the notified bell button. Thanks for watching and bye for now.